wait. Take a breath. Easy. Okay. Now tell us what happened.
So I'm in VIP doing what I do, and you know, hyping everybody up, getting ready to do our thing, and everyone's going, Vinny pops, Vinny pops. And then boom, I let the bottle pop, went up in the air, gravity did its thing.
So what was happening was there was already photos of what was happening. There were people around, people taking videos, people going, ooh. I posted a picture of myself explaining my side of the situation, not really blaming him or anything, just saying what happened. Everyone knows who he is because of his, you know, clout or whatever, but who really cares about that?
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session.
Thank you so much for coming. Please be seated. We're here for case number 3690, Tanya DeVille versus Vincent Lane. If you can please come up to the podium. Good morning, Ms. DeVille.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Lane.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. DeVille, it shows here that you're suing Mr. Lane for $8,000 for medical expenses, lost wages, and emotional suffering. Am I reading that correctly?
Yes, you are.
Mr. Lane, it shows here that you're filing a countersuit for $10,000, claiming that she said something about you on social media. Am I reading that correctly?
That's correct, Your Honor. She slandered me on social media, yes.
All right, give me a second. We'll get to that. Ms. DeVille, tell the courts what happened.
So just to paint the picture, I'm dancing in the club. I'm about near the VIP section, about, I'd say 10 feet away from where Mr. Lane is standing. You know, I'm dancing up, the lights are bright, it's the vibe. I'm trying to have a good, I'm sorry. I'm just a little shaken up. My eye hurts, I'm sorry.
Hold on, wait.
Sorry.
Take a breath. Easy. Okay. Now tell us what happened.
I'm dancing in the VIP section, about 10 feet away.
Do you work for the club?
No, I'm just.
Oh, so you're a patron at the club?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm just there for fun. You don't, you know, you go there, you don't expect to, you know, come back crippled. That's exaggeration, man. I'm standing 10 feet away, dancing 10 feet away from where Mr. Lane is standing. And he's like, you know, I'm minding my own business. They're having their own thing over there in the VIP section. I'm just dancing, you know, taking pictures of myself, having a good time. And all I know is something hits, all I hear is, you know, they're cheering and then bam, something hits me right in the face. And I'm on the ground, my eye swells up immediately. You know how it is, it's embarrassing. People around are like, oh, and it makes it worse. I'm kind of tearing up and crying at the time. And then I look up and like, he doesn't even seem apologetic at all. He's just like, that's how we roll in the VIP. Like
Okay, what hit you in the face?
I'm sorry, I didn't explain.
That's okay, that's all right.
So he's popping champagne, popping bottles. And I guess the thing pops off and it just shoots right out. I don't know.
So the cork from the bottle hit you in the
Yes, that's what it's called. The cork, it shoots out, hits me right in the eye. I don't know why it's aimed at the crowd anywhere, because I'm just dancing where the general people are dancing, where I'm supposed to be at.
Okay.
And it hits me right in the face on the ground. It was up really. He doesn't seem any kind of apologetic.
Did you seek any type of medical attention?
Yes, and I recently emailed you a copy of my hospital bill from Mango Park.
I do have a copy of the bill here in front of me. What's this? $2,500?
Yes.
It looks like it came out to?
Yes.
Okay, that's a pretty hefty bill. What did they say about your eye as far as the injury?
Well, I have to stay home for about 2 weeks. I missed 2 weeks of work. And even now, I'm trying not to touch it because it's irritating me as I talk. When I talk, my face moves and it irritates the spot. So I'm really just trying my best, you know.
These 2 weeks that you're away from work, are you receiving compensation or no?
I'm not.
Okay. All right. Hold that thought. Mr. Lane, sir.
Your Honor.
What happened with this situation?
Look, I don't even know what happened with her, Your Honor. All I know is I was doing what I usually do, okay? People around town know me. I'm always popping bottles. It's what I do. That's the vibe of VIP. You've been in VIP before. You know what's up.
Actually, I haven't been to VIP, and my wife wouldn't let me go to VIP. That's not happening. I'll tell you that right now.
You're more than invited. We'll keep it on the down low. We don't have to tell the missus.
No. I don't keep secrets from my wife. No.
Understand.
Give you a word of advice, my friend. Never keep a secret from your wife. The only secret that you keep from your wife is a surprise birthday party, and that is it. Anything else is cause for divorce. But continue.
So yeah, I'm in VIP doing what I do. Everybody knows me. I'm Vinny Pops, okay? Vinny's popping bottles. Vinny Pops never stops, okay?
Okay.
I'm a promoter for the club. I work for several clubs in the area.
Okay, so I'm clear on this. This particular establishment, you don't own it.
No,
You're
no.
just like what they call like a promoter.
Correct. I'm a club promoter in the area in Mango
Okay.
Park. All the clubs, Zap, Jet Set, Diamond District, they all know me over there.
Okay.
This was at Jet Set that this happened.
All right.
So I'm in VIP doing what I do, and hyping everybody up, getting ready to do our thing, and everyone's going, Vinny Pops, Vinny Pops. And then boom, I let the bottle pop, went up in the air, gravity did its thing.
So it was champagne glass type of
Yeah, just a
situation?
champagne bottle, little Dom P.
You don't do it with like the sword, do you? The champagne
Nah,
sword?
we don't get that crazy with the swords,
So
what I
how
mean?
do you-
Flying
how do you pop
champagne
it?
cork just
All right, so
became
I
a
have a
courtroom
message
nightmare.
We do
Under
like a
U.S.
band,
negligence
okay? We lift the
law,
bottle up,
celebration
and
never
they hoist
excuses
me up.
reckless
Kind of like a
conduct.
bar mitzvah,
Should
like,
party
lift me up.
promoters be
Hold
liable?
Hold on, ma'am,
Viewers
ma'am,
will
ma'am,
be
ma'am,
stunned.
Ma'am, I let you speak. Let him
She can't
finish.
even get a story together, and I was trying to get my story.
Explain how this works. So they lift you up like the bar mitzvah, and then what happens?
So everyone's going, Vinny Pops, and everybody's like, oh, and then, I twist the pop,
And
boom,
boop.
champagne goes, everybody goes buck wild crazy, and then the club makes money, because that's the kind of attention I bring.
now prior to popping up the cork,
Yeah.
do you shake up the bottle a little bit so you can have the fizz of the champagne help with the pop of the
I wouldn't
cork?
say, I hear you saying to help make it
Yeah,
shoot
to help
further.
it go.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't say you had to shake it, but there's a lot of movement going on anyway. They're bouncing me up and down, so
Yeah.
possibly it could have gotten a little bit shaken up, but you don't want to shake it because too much of the champagne gets wasted, and then we don't get to drink any of it.
Like the F1 guys when they shake up the bottle
Yeah.
and then the liquid the champagne is
And
flying everywhere.
I'm not trying to make a mess. I'm not trying to disrespect the club. They wouldn't want me in there making a mess anyway. They want me to
Exactly.
attract more customers.
Exactly.
They don't want me making a mess and then
Well, Mr. Lane, let me ask you a question.
Okay.
When you pop the bottle of this particular bottle,
Mm-hmm.
where did the cork go?
Like I said, I wasn't 100% paying attention where it went. All I know is it went up,
Okay.
and then who knows where it went after that.
But the problem is, that's where the cork went.
Understandably so, but she probably shouldn't even have been there because we were in the VIP. She wasn't in the VIP section. She didn't have access to get
I
in
was
the
10 feet
VIP.
away from you,
Again,
outside the VIP.
Hold on, ma'am. Hold on.
excuse me, rude. No wonder you're not in VIP. You got no manners.
Okay, but here's my thing though. I understand that she was not a member of that particular party within the VIP section.
Yeah.
And she admitted that also. Am I correct? You said you were about 10 feet away,
Yes.
if I heard that correctly. So she's not in the VIP section. She's within a close vicinity of the section, but
Okay.
she's not in it.
I hear that.
Okay. So please continue.
But she's sticking her head in, trying to, I don't know,
She's trying to look and see what's
get
going
clout,
on.
take pictures for social media, try to post them,
I was taking
I
pictures of
got it.
myself.
of yourself in my VIP section,
I
so
don't
you can see.
know you. You're not that important. I'm
But
taking pictures of
Everybody knows me.
myself.
Everybody in Mango Park. I'm the king of Mango Park. Everybody
That's
knows me.
Vinny Pops.
Vinny Pops never
Vinny
stops.
Pops.
Thank
Even
you.
now, he's not even apologetic. It's just
No, that's not true. I was very apologetic when it happened. Okay. Me
What
and
did
my
you
boys-
say? What did you say?
We went up to her, made sure she was okay. My man Monty gave me a card so she can get herself a free drink or whatever. So
That's
I
an
thought
apology?
I thought that more than enough handled it. She seemed fine.
a drink doesn't cover my medical bills.
She was holding the eye a little bit, whatever. She was
A
crying,
little
but
bit.
girls cry.
My eye was swollen. It is.
Oh, hold up. Wait, hold on.
You see how he's trying to minimize
Mr.
my
Lane,
face?
Mr. Lane, she got hit in the face with a flying projectile.
Okay.
The flying projectile
Yeah.
He says girls cry. Like
caused damage to her eye.
Yeah, but it wasn't intentional.
I understand that. And I'm not saying that it was intentional. Okay. No one has said that it's, matter of fact, she hasn't even said that it's intentional.
Well, what she said online about me tried to paint me out as a bad guy.
I didn't
trying
say
to say I
anything
did
that
it on
wasn't
purpose.
true.
I'm sorry. Not for nothing.
Miss-
I haven't interrupted you once.
Mr. Ville,
No disrespect.
Mr. Ville, let him
sorry.
finish. Let him finish. What were you saying now, sir?
So, she's doing her best to disperse my character online, and that's going to hurt me, hurt my revenue. I have people that I pay. I have people that I have on payroll. I have a street team that we go off and we hand out flyers.
So
promote the
her
clubs.
social media could hurt you.
The defendant
Absolutely.
blamed a
Okay.
social media post, but truth is a powerful legal
Mr. Vinny
defense.
Pops here. If the victim only shared what happened, can a defamation claim survive? What do you think viewers will decide?
In my side of the situation, not really blaming him or anything, just saying what happened. Everyone knows who he is because of his, clout or whatever, but who really cares about that? I just put a picture of myself explaining my side of the situation. People around, I think that also had a say in probably how he feels, that he feels like he was accused. All I said was what happened. I got hit in the eye by something he was doing.
Okay. And people made their own judgments in the comments.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, they kept saying Vinny Pops called the cops. Trying to get me in trouble.
That is pretty catchy, I will admit to that. But Mr. Lane, here's the problem though. And again, no one is saying that you did this intentionally. Okay? Things happen, mistakes happen, accidents happen. And you popped this cork and the trajectory went into her eye and it caused her damage. Physical damage to the point that she had to go to the hospital.
But I popped hundreds of bottles in the past.
I understand
you hear a bottle pop, you don't move? Who doesn't move when they hear a bottle pop?
Sir, I understand. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. If you're popping the bottle up, right? Yeah. It's a cork. Mm-hmm. It's going to go up and it's going to go in an arc or it's going to fall, hit the ceiling, whatever. More than likely, it's not going to harm anyone.
It never has before.
The problem here is, and I am not a science expert, but what I can remember from college, with speed and trajectory and stuff, the angle from which you popped that bottle was a little lower than probably what it should have been. And when you popped it, and to your own admission, the people had you up, you guys are having a good time. And I'm going to assume you really weren't paying attention. You just wanted to get that thing popped and everyone has a good time. But the problem is when you popped it, the angle was down, aimed towards her face. And you didn't notice it. I'm assuming the club is dark a little bit. If it's a nightclub, it's kind of dark. So you really can't see. And once you popped it, that thing went flying like a missile and it hit her right in the face. To the point where she had to go receive medical treatment. And I got the bill here. And I'm looking at the itemized bill, and it's for $2,500. Okay, you're responsible for that.
Yeah, but I feel like she's just coming out the woodwork, and this is gonna make it worse. If you rule against me today, it's gonna bring out all these other gold diggers and scam artists trying to come out the woodwork.
That's not gonna happen.
That's not gonna happen.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. Yes, ma'am.
I feel like he's using the fact that he has some type of leverage over the the club scene, that he can just get away with things like this and not have to.
And that may very well be true. That may absolutely be 100% true. Like, but Mr. Lane does not have control over what happens in this courtroom, so I wouldn't even worry about that. Okay. He's going to be fine in the club scene. He's going to be okay. But Mr. Lane, I need you to understand that you may pop bottles 100 times, right? And there's no problem, but that one time out of 100, when you get this, you have to man up and take responsibility for your actions and say, dog, you know what? I messed up on that one. I'm sorry, ma'am. And a free drink is not going to satisfy that injury. She had to come out of pocket. Did you come out of pocket or your insurance?
My insurance, but it doesn't cover all of it.
But they still have to pay. Yeah. Okay. Please. Plus, she's losing compensation for the time that she's not at work.
I'm losing time for being at work. I'm here right now. I could be out promoting the clubs, handing out flyers. I'm wasting time too.
Right?
Mr. Lane. It is 1:00 in the afternoon.
Hey, the hustle never sleeps.
Is not
hustle
open
never sleeps,
at 1:00 in the afternoon.
You know better than anybody. Hustle never sleeps, Your Honor.
A hustle never sleeps, and I understand that. But come on now, come on. Don't try to play me in my own courtroom. Come on now.
I'm not trying to play you. I'm trying to help you out.
I'm not throwing insults at you. Don't throw insults at me.
I'm trying to help you.
I understand where you're coming from, but you have to take responsibility for your actions on this. So, as far as the social media thing, I am not going to grant you the $10,000 for that. Okay? Yes, she posted the incident. Yes, she said that this happened at this club, and Vinny Pops is responsible.
You
And
can't
now
at
the
least make her
comments-
take it down? Can you make her take it
Judge
down?
Porter delivers a brutal legal reality. Accidents still carry consequences. In U.S. tort law,
But she's
failing to
trying to
act with
paint
reasonable
like
care
that-
can
like I
cost
did it on
thousands.
purpose, though.
I
Fair
never said that.
ruling
She never
or
said
too
that.
I
harsh?
said what happened, and maybe other people said that, but I didn't say that.
Even here in court, she never said he tried to hurt me intentionally. She never said that. What she said was he popped a bottle and it hit me in the face. It's an accident. It's a mistake.
All right.
But it's still one that you have to own up to.
That's fine. That's
All right?
fine. But if you can't afford to go to the club, don't go to the club.
I'm not the one out here trying to.
What?
put myself
Now,
as
what
the
does that
big
even
guy.
mean?
Like,
Because she's
no
trying to pop her head in
sense.
VIP, trying to be one
No,
of
I
us.
wasn't. I'm just
I would
staying
have
here
more.
listening to
If
anybody
I would have more
else.
invited, I would have invited you to come hang with us.
I was
you
thinking
trying
like
to be
anybody.
all.
No, I wasn't. I was
You
thinking
know
of
what?
myself.
But I think you're missing the point. You're missing the point. Even if she was a patron inside a VIP and she got hit in the face with the cork, you still would be responsible.
How is he not getting that?
I don't know how much more clear I can make that. It's the popping of the cork that makes you responsible when you hit somebody. Okay? It's just like on New Year's Eve when people fire their guns into the air. If that bullet hits somebody and kills somebody, you're responsible. What are you going to say? Well, you shouldn't have been in the house. You shouldn't have been firing the gun.
It's ridiculous.
So I'm sorry, Mr. Lane. I am going to have to rule against you on this. Okay? And the thing
Even after
is,
losing
I understand that
$50,000,
medical
Vinnie
bills
Pops
is what-
kept
what's
promoting the
it?
party.
$2,500?
But courtroom confidence can't
But we don't
erase
know
legal
what the extent of the
responsibility.
injury is. I
Would
got
you
a
have
funny
ruled
feeling that
differently
it's
under
gonna cost
U.S.
a little
law?
bit more down the line. So I'm going to increase the amount that Mr. Lane is going to pay up to $50,000.
50,000.
Does that sound okay to you?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
I'm sorry, Mr. Lane?
That's 50,000. That's. Are you serious?
Okay, this is what we
You
can
was the
do.
big VIP. You should be.
Hold on. This is what we can do. I could cancel court today, and then we can come back a few years later, and whatever other medical bills she's accrued since that time period, we can pay that. You know, pay me now or pay me later. Which one you want?
We'll do it now.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Vinnie Pops, you're a smart dude. So he's going to pay you $50,000. Sir, if there's a problem with the payment, we can establish a payment plan with the clerks. And this case is adjourned.
Thanks to the supporter for his ruling today. I feel like it was fair. I was really scared I was going to have to come out of pocket today, but the supporter really pulled through. I don't have to do that. And everything's just covered. I'm just really happy. Yeah, just be careful in the club. You know, there's crazy people like Vinnie Pops or whatever the hell he called himself. But yeah, just be careful, guys. Thank you again, Judge Porter.
All right, you win some, you lose some, but you live to party another day. It's all good. You know, 50 stacks ain't no big thing. Make that up in a couple of weekends. But I still think Judge Porter made the wrong call in this case. But he can still come out to VIP and party with us. You already know Vinnie Pops never stops. We're going to keep the party going all night long. So if y'all want to come out, Jet Set. If y'all want to come out to Zap. If y'all want to come out to Diamond District, you already know your boy Vinnie Pops got your back. And as far as Tanya's concerned, I mean, she's kind of cute. I'll still invite her out to the club. So Tanya, when you see this episode, hit me up. You already know where to find me on social media. Come on now. Vinnie Pops. Love you, girl.